Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Chick Vouchers in Heyday. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Heyday application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you get the Heyday app? Pretty simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through the on-screen prompts to install. Now, after installing Heyday, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you just have to follow through step-by-step processes to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Heyday. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to get Chick Vouchers in Heyday. Now, for you to get Chick Vouchers, then you need to go to FunPass. All right, and what's FunPass? If you check this firm, all right, somewhere here you have this purple house. Now click on that, and that gives you access to FunPass. All right, but now we have a warning sign that's going to come out of here. It says FunPass unlocks at a certain level. All right, so they're just going to say FunPass. So here you go, it says reach level 11 to unlock FunPass. All right, so let's say you have reached level 11 and you have unlocked this FunPass. So go ahead and click on that FunPass, and once you click on FunPass, you're going to see a couple of steps that you can take to get your Chick Vouchers. So I'm just going to read the tips, and once I read the tips, then you should be able to get it. But once you have unlocked FunPass and you click that FunPass, just along the line, you'll be able to get Chick Vouchers using this FunPass. So Chick Vouchers are a type of currency used to trade for special items in the shop, and they were introduced in November 2021. So players can obtain Chick Vouchers on the FunPass. I've shown you how to get to FunPass. That's using the FunPass road. So generally, you only get one Chick Voucher per season on the free road, and obtain 2 additional vouchers if you purchase the paid road. So once you click on that purple house, this is what is going to show these FunPass option. So you have all of these roads, so go ahead and click on the pass road and follow through the process, and you'll be able to get a Chick Voucher. So once you get the Chick Voucher and you collect it, you're going to see it as part of the vouchers that you can have. So moreover, you can obtain Chick Vouchers in some of the holiday calendar boxes on Greg's farm, and also purchase them by spending holiday currency. So this is the way you can get Chick Vouchers in Heyday through FunPass. So unlock it at level 11 and you'll be good to go. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.